Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. If you are new to this channel, then please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. Today in this lecture, we are going to cover the practical topic that how could we read CSV file data all at once in Eclipse. So for that I have already created one CSV file at this location E drive Eclipse Workspace CSV doc, and we are going to read the CSV file with name result comma separator. So guys, let's start our program. First we have to open the Eclipse, and after opening the Eclipse we need to create Java project. So for creating Java project, first go to file, click on new. Now go to Java project. Write down the project name. I will write CSV operation. Use default location, JRE, project layout and other stuffs. Leave them as default, and now go ahead and click on next. So now what we need to do here, we need to add external jars. So for that we will go on libraries, click on add external jars, select both jar file, and now click on open. So don't worry about these external jars, you can directly download them using below link which is already provided in description. And now at last click on finish. After successfully creating the project, we need to create a Java class. So for that, right click on project, go to new, and now click on class. So pick your Java class name as you require. I will pick up the name as read CSV data all at once. And also check this box, public static void main string argument, and now click on finish. Okay, let's start our program. First we will define the path of our CSV file. And we will copy the path where our CSV file is saved. Now we will type the name by just simply copying it. Now at last append the extension of the file, that is .csv. And inside main method we will call our required method for which we are going to define the logic. So now the method name, and now we will start to write down our define method as Now, in this try block, we will write down our logic. So first we will create an object of FileReader class with CSV file as a parameter. So and now we will create CSV reader object by passing FileReader as a parameter. Here the method with skip lines dot build, what it will do, it will skip the first row of CSV file. Now we will create the list of type string to read all data at once as here read all method will read the data of CSV file at once and it will store it in list. And now we will print the data of list as this line system.out.println. It will help the cursor to move to the next line. So how the data is printing here? It is like star pattern programming. First the row is iterated and then we are printing the value of column in next loop. And now at last, after the try block, catch block is required to catch if there is any kind of exception inside the try block or not. The question here is that what is print stack trace? We have already discussed this topic in my previous video. Anyways, I will define it in the video description from where you can go through it. And now let's review our program. Multiple marker at this line, FileReader cannot be resolved. Okay, so since we have imported the jar file, the dependencies are not imported. So we will just click on it, click on import FileReader. Now for this again click on CSV reader builder. List cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, so we will import java.util.list. Okay, so all the error has been identified. So we are good to run our program. Let's run it. Great, it is successfully executed and here it is our result. So guys, this tutorial video, read CSV data all at once and share, and in the next video we will go through with our next program, read CSV data from custom separator. So if you like this information or do have any suggestion, then please comment on this video and hit on like button to support me. Thank you guys, bye, see you again.